everyone was like, oh, James, you can't afford a bed. You couldn't afford a truck with a bed. Now what? Now what?
Now what, bro?
I splurged on a custom bed.
You didn't splurge on anything. You stole these from Walmart.
Bro, what do you mean?
I
It's
saw
a
you do it
custom
earlier,
bed?
bro.
It's a custom bed.
It's not a custom bed,
Guys,
bro.
they're trying to say I couldn't afford a bed, so I had to get a bed.
James, you can't do anything with this.
It's a flat bed.
No, bro. You just ruined a perfectly good work truck by selling the bed for money.
No, I'm a country boy. I have a flat bed now.
James, you don't even know how to spell flatbread.
It's a flatbread?